Calm yourself down. Calm yourself down.
Hold that on her. I want to show that to a vet if you need to. Hold on. I want to get your hand off her chest. I want to see her. I want to watch her breathing. Okay? What the heck?
She's not breathing at all.
She's not breathing. Okay.
CPR. Let's do the CPR. CPR. Try to calm yourself down. Try to calm yourself down. Calm yourself down for her. There she goes. There she goes. There she goes. Calm down. Calm down. Shh. Shh. You gotta calm down for her. Calm down for her.
Give her another pulse.
There she goes. There she goes.
I think it's just in the collar.
Hey. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on.
I'm gonna go call Aaron, right? I'm gonna go call Aaron. It's the 710 number, not the 204.
This says it's off. Is this thing off?
Oh my God! What did I do?
Just talk to her. Say her name. Say her name.
Sugar!
There you go. Real quick.
Sugar!
Easy, easy,
Sugar!
easy.
His tongue's blue. Sugar! Oh, sugar!
Tongue's not blue.
Oh,
She's
sugar!
okay. She's gonna be okay.
Oh, come on,
sugar.
sugar!
Come on. Come on, sugar.
Sugar! Sugar's a good boy! Sugar!
Come on,
Sugar!
She's breathing.
Sugar!
She's breathing.
Okay, calm down. You gotta calm down. Calm down. Easy, easy.
Big breath. Big breath
Good
in.
boy, sugar!
Easy, easy.
Good boy, sugar!
Easy.
Good boy! Oh, he's a good boy, sugar! Good boy! Sugar's good boy! Oh, sugar! Sugar! Oh, sugar, sugar! Oh, sugar!
There he goes.
Sugar! Oh, thank you. Sugar!
Okay, hold here. Hold right here and get right here and just let her lightly.
Oh, sugar!
Give her time. She's coming
Oh.
in. And get some water, too.
Oh, sugar!
Yeah.
I can smell it. Oh, poor boy. Sugar, you're okay. It's okay,
Hold up.
sugar. You're okay, sugar.
Good.
You're
Hold
okay.
him tight.
You're okay, sugar. Okay. You're okay.
Hold on. Keep her down. Keep her down.
Okay.
No, don't roll her over. Just let her. Just hold her steady. Him. All right. Just hold him steady. Hold him steady.